Welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through the basics of PowerPoint, share some tips and tricks, and show you how to create stunning slides that will wow your audience. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications for the latest content. Open an empty slide. Right-click and go to Format Background. Select Picture or Text or Fill. Choose a background image for your presentation. Next, insert a rectangle to cover the entire canvas. Go to Format Shape. Remove the outlines. Select Gradient Fill. Set up two color nodes. For the first node, change the color to black and increase the transparency to 70%. For the second node, select dark green and increase the transparency to 30%. Then, insert a new text box. Type the heading of your presentation. Change the font family, size, and color as shown in the video. Place it in the top left corner of the canvas. Insert a rounded corner rectangle. Change the width and height to 0.85. Rotate it 45 degrees to the right. Remove the outlines and change the color to white. Insert another text box. Type a subheading. Change the font size, and increase the gap between each letter. Change the font color. Place it next to the white rectangle. Now, insert a new line from the shapes. Change the color. Increase the width to 2.5 points. Place it right under the heading as an underline to highlight it. Below, add a description. Change the font size, and font color as well. Select the heading, rectangle, underline, and description. Group them as a single unit. Duplicate this group and place it right below the first group. Move it slightly to the right as shown in the video. Add one more group and change the heading as needed. Go to the icon section. Select 3 icons related to your topic. Change their width and height. Move each icon inside the white rectangle. Group each icon with its related group. As a final step, select all 3 groups. In the animation section, select the fly in animation. Change the direction to from left. Increase the duration to 1 second. Set the start option to after previous. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it.